I am beginner ready. How to set up a Google Ads for my co-working or office space business. I'm a beginner in digital marketing and I want to launch my first Google Ads campaign for my local business. First of all, congratulations for starting a business, and I like the idea that you're trying to initiate a Google Ads campaign for your local business to get more sales. I run an office and co-working space and I like to target professionals around me and ideally people searching nearby, but also maybe across the whole city. I have done some keyword research, but I found the search volume is very low, around 1k max. How many people you need? How many capacity you have? 1k is more than sufficient if you just target it right. But anyway, let's complete your query, then I'm going to answer it. That's why I thought that targeting through Google Maps and Gmail could be a better option. Before I start, what should I prepare and focus on? For example, do I need a specific landing page just for the ads? What kind of parameters should I prioritize? Any recommendations, guidelines, or alternatives since search volume is low? Any advice or step-by-step guidance will be super helpful. Okay, so let's discuss regarding your query now. Because you run an office and co-working space, so my first is, who are your competitors? Figure out your competitors. Let's say top 3 competitors. Use SpyFu or SEMrush to figure out their ads, keywords, landing pages. Okay, this can help you clear cut idea on how the market is working, and if you follow those landing pages, you need to come up with a specific landing page. Okay, I recommend clients usually to have 2 to 3 different landing pages, but let's assume that landing page, I don't know what happened over here. Okay, landing pages, 2 to 3 landing page, or maybe for different intent. So for that you need to work with the keyword research. Okay, do a keyword research, look what the competitors keywords are doing around, and come up with, let's say, 20 keywords and divide them in your different intent. Try to understand the intent. For instance, if someone is searching buy iPhone and cheap iPhone, both have different intent, because someone who wants to buy an iPhone is not looking for an ideally best price. They are more concerned regarding the reliable price. But someone who is searching the cheap iPhone has a different intent, because they are, for them the price is the most important thing, not the place, and they may can go far away or to the very weird or odd place just to get the price bargain, or you're looking for something deal along with the iPhone. So try to understand both have different intent, so which is why come up with 2 to 3 different landing pages for your keywords. So create a specific campaign for them, and then the location targeting plays a huge role over here. Also, you want to target the whole city, but my recommendation is, because you are since starting out, my recommendation is to go with 5 to 10 kilometer radius. First target the close people over here, then we can later on optimize on this. So this can tell you. Also look around for the area and create specific campaigns for your 5 to 10 kilometer range. Also work on ad schedules. This can help you. Apart from ad schedules, look around. Maybe you can target from Monday to Friday. Your days important. Days are important. Age group targeting is also important over here. And the best thing over here is that you also need to have an email newsletter, so you can connect with the audience later on. You can tell them regarding your offers and this. And for a co-working space, I think that explaining your testimonials on the landing page, plus some videos or walkthrough is important. For instance, you can book them for a walkthrough. Like, write this on your landing page that you want to get a free walkthrough of our business, and that is how you can generate more business. So, like, people come, visit, see the place, they inspire, they come over here as well. So the walkthrough session could be a better deal over here. So invite them people for a free walkthrough session, so they can come, visit, and then you can later on propose them with your prices and packages. So while writing this, the idea came up in my mind is that the walkthrough video could be a offer could be a great way to get more clients. Work around this. Also create your YouTube channel and social media profiles and show your videos, office details, and this, maybe you can create testimonials or videos on the people who have already joined your co-working space and how their experiences, and did they find it beneficial or not on coming or joining or working at your co-working space. So something like these helps. So apart from this, ad optimization, negative keywords, search terms, these are all the part of your Google Ads campaign. So focus on them as well. So yeah, this is what it says. But if anyone needs a professional or a detailed audit of the Google Ads account, or in case if anyone needs a professional digital marketing services, we cover all from Google Ads to web development to Meta Ads to Google Business Profile. We are a full-fledged marketing agency, and for any of the needs, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description or in the first comment of this video. So I hope this answers your question. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.